In our week 8 progress presentation, we were advised to alter our project because it appeared that our current idea, which was adding crumb rubber as an additive in asphalt pavement, might not be suitable for the panels. This suggestion was switched to a road-related project considering the size of the crumb rubber. We had a meeting with our supervisor to update him on our project progress. During the meeting, we presented our revised idea, which involves integrating crumb rubber with bitumen. Although we changed the overall concept, we are still working with the same base material. In week 10, we conducted sample and lab testing, specifically the penetration test, using a 0% and 10% ratio of crumb rubber. We analyzed the results to assess the viability of this combination for our project. In week 11, our focus was on creating a sample and conducting a penetration test with a 15% crumb rubber ratio. We also attempted a softening point test, but it failed because there wasn't enough ice preventing the sample from hardening properly. In week 12, we produced samples with varying ratios, which were 0%, 10%, and 15%. We also conducted softening point tests. Subsequently, we prepared and showcased these samples for the upcoming DPEX competition and presentation. In week 13, we spent the day before DPEX setting up our booth and adding some decorations. During the actual DPEX event, we presented our projects to panels from different fields. Both of the panels were very interactive and kind. Our presentation went well and we successfully addressed the panel's questions. We also achieved a silver place in the competition. Last but not least, in week 14, we were required to submit our reports spanning from chapter 1 to chapter 5 along with our logbook to our supervisor for evaluation and grading. Additionally, we submitted our project task documenting our progress from week 8 to week 14.